Well, good morning. Today is a Sunday. Me and Bandit got up at 5, went to bed at 1, but we're on our way on a trip. One of my Facebook friends that I've talked to for a while now, he's got a Facebook group called Dirt Trails Overland. I've wanted to go on a couple of trips with them, but always seems my work schedule's messed up. And yesterday he posted he wanted to do a quick little day trip up to Oklahoma. So, a little far drive for me to go. It's a 4.5 hour drive for me, but oh well. What else are we gonna do on a Sunday, right? So, I got that GPS tracking and I got that GPS navigating, and we're making our way up to Longview to meet him and follow him on up to where he wants to go exploring. Well, we made it to Longview. Met up with the guy I was meeting up with. He's up here in front in a Jeep right there. I believe he said there's 2 more people going, so we're going to meet up with those and then head on up to Broken Bow. Well, so far we made it to Broken Bow. We're almost to the trails. Got 2 Jeeps behind me and 1 Jeep in front of me. I'm the only Nissan. Good group.
I'm disappointed they ain't got that big casino built yet.
Good group of guys, and I'm finally getting to use my GMRS radio for a change because I'm not by myself.
Well, right back there at that light, you would have looked back off to the right. Go down, and when I get back up, we'll turn around and stuff, check it out. Y'all want me to stay here, or y'all turning around? We're gonna turn around. I'm fixing to get my feet wet.
There's Bella. And there's Bandit. Bandit, get out of there.
I mean, that's what he expected.
You know, this, like I said,
We took him back to
I think this is the best road we've been on all day as far as scenic stuff.
Come on, Bandit. Let's walk on down. Oh, yeah. It's like a fishing net. Out here exploring a creek bed. Tired trail, Bandit.
Are y'all back there?
Yeah, we're coming.
Off-road. Man, y'all, I gotta slow down for y'all big lifted Jeeps back there.
I'm not a Jeep.
And it's a pretty cool little trail right here, ain't it? It ain't bad. Yeah, this is definitely a trail to bring them on.
I like water puddles way too much.
I tell you what, it was a fun day today. Made some new friends, got to take the truck out again, did a cool river crossing. Bandit made a new friend, Bella. They kind of bickered a little bit, but that's what healers do. Getting to drive home at the sunset. So it was a fun trip. I hope y'all enjoy the video. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.